I said, Georgia. I wouldn't call myself a prodigy, but Georgia. I played 12 hours straight and never played the same song twice. It's another Saturday night. I'm Leon Wilson, Hartford, Connecticut, and I'm a musician, a street musician. Cupid, drum back and bow. House musician, back porch musician, sidewalk musician. She was only 16. I like playing requests on the sidewalk. I get so much joy out of having people request a song and finding out that I know it and have them sing along. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. The greatest joy I ever found on the sidewalk was having a 80 or 90-year-old couple dance or reminisce on a song like they were teenagers back then. Take the ribbon from your hair. I grew up out in East Grammy, Connecticut there, out on Floydville Road. My father played guitar whenever he was home, but I remember the first time I heard it, it seemed like it was meant for me. I was born by the river. I just couldn't leave it alone. In a little tent. But right now they're bar hopping. They get in the bar and get drunk, then they'll start running the sidewalks. That's when the money comes between 12 and 2. Hey, I left here in 69. I didn't come back here till 70, a good 10 years. Don't you know that is a fool? I played in Phoenix, Arizona, San Francisco, Puerto Rico, St. Thomas, St. Martin's, Martinique. I've been in the Marine Corps. I got 2 sons, and they're like 21 and 22 this month. In the mornings, I meet them in front of Old State House. And Thursday, Friday, and Saturday nights, I'm any nightclub downtown, anywhere. I see trees green, red roses too. I see them roll, me and you. And I say to myself, what a wonderful world. Being old as I am, I'm fine. I get my joy out of playing for people, children, or grown-ups on the sidewalk. Every day you'll find me on the sidewalks of Hartford. I love you. How you doing? If I leave here tomorrow, 1, 2, 3, 4. The cord went bad. I ran it over with the wheel and broke it.
No, I don't want to do nothing with him.
Why you say that?
I paid $7 to come in here with my truck. See it right there.
So that means you got a parking lot. You don't own no sidewalk spot.
Why would you do this in the first place, brother?
Fighting over position. But nobody has a spot. There's no such thing as your spot. Let me call you back. I'm playing right now. I can't hear. It's first come, first serve. I set my chip. I was all ready to play. There's enough money on the streets for everybody. Well, it's called Emmanuel House Hotel Convalescent Home. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. I started there, and she said the people wanted me to come back. Are we ready? Yeah. Everybody clear their voice and say, me, 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 me. I hear somebody saying, meow. That's all right. My wife is roll. I feel great when I'm there. No, you don't do the one. This old lady I never forget, she says, I'm 89, you can't play a song when I was a teenager. Daisy, Daisy. So I said, Daisy, Daisy, give me your absolute G-free. She said, wow. She come hug me, told me, I was 17. Come on, dance, girl. As a music teacher, play the song, but only blueprint it. Make it your own. Ooh, yeah. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. It's something to have a 92-year-old lady on that side and they want to sing Bicycle Built for Two. We did it right at Walmart, had a ball, everybody looking. Give me my hug. If your husband tells me that you and me, we go a long way back. We go a long way back.
We love you.
I love you too. I love you too. Sitting there, pressing my bones. I get my joy out of playing for people, children, or grown-ups on the sidewalk. I don't need no money. Yes, I do. Some people are in it for the money, even though it ain't that great. I'm in it for the response. When they respond, it wakes up my repertoire. Able to walk in anyone's shadows. I mean, nothing would be better to wake up in the morning and find out that you're rich. But I'm rich because I'm healthy, wealthy, and wise. Lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend.